You can build a website on your own, but if you're not sure what you're doing, this can seem like a daunting task. Using a website builder to help you out might be the right solution. In this video, we're going to look at how to build a website, what's important when building a website, and why they're important. The three main things we're going to look at is using WordPress versus using a website builder, naming your website and why it's important, and building the website while looking at important page elements. We'll first start by looking at using a website builder versus using WordPress. As stated before, if you want or need a website but have never built one, it can be confusing and you may not know where to start. Fortunately, a lot of website builders will walk you through the process, and some will even build you an entire templated website where all you have to do is change some information and some images. The downside to website builders is that they usually are a little bit lacking when it comes to customization. If you're looking to start a one-page website or already have a business and just want a website for your business, then a builder will work great for you. If you're more comfortable with doing things on your own, or you need a lot of flexibility in what your website can do, you might be better off using WordPress. It's less of a website builder and more of a shell. It offers tons of flexibility and has a vast variety of plugins and extras you can purchase to help get your website exactly to your liking. It will require more time from you directly to put all the pieces in place and may be overwhelming for people new to the space. We're going to focus on building a website using a website builder. Next, let's look at naming the website. What you name your website, or in other words, what your URL is incredibly important because it will affect how much traffic you get and how searchable your name is in things like Google. The better your website's search engine optimization, or SEO, is, then the more traffic and consequently the more business you'll get. TRUiC offers a free name generator that you can use to help you find an optimized name for your website. It's the most powerful name generator out there and uses AI to come up with the best names for SEO that will help your website win when it comes to searchability. Even if you already have a named business, TRUiC's business name generator will help you find a domain that will rank better in local searches. This means that if someone living in your city Googles looking for your business type, you'll be one of the top results to show up. The name generator also automatically checks to make sure that any names it generates are available as domain names, so you never need to worry about falling in love with the name only to find out it's not available. Now we'll move on to actually building the website. When building a website, you have a couple of choices when choosing a website builder. In this video, we're going to use GoDaddy because we feel it's the best builder for people who aren't familiar with website building. After you purchase your domain name, the builder will ask you a couple of questions about your business, like what industry you're in and the name of your business. It will then auto-generate a website for you based on the information you input. We'll be building a website for a restaurant. If you don't like the layout that was auto-generated for you, you can click on Theme in the upper right and then click on Try a New Look. It will give you multiple layout options you can choose from. Once you find a layout you like, you'll want to make sure you have all the pages you need. Almost every local business website will need a homepage, contact us page, about us page, and a services page to get started. This section will cover setting up these necessary pages. Your homepage provides the first impression of your website and business. Make sure it's effective and has everything it needs. If you do nothing else to your homepage, it's important that you update any text and images from what was pre-generated to what specifically fits your business. To change your homepage cover image, simply click anywhere on the image, then under the Website tab on the right click Cover Media. Next, you'll click on Change Image. You then have the option to select from a library of stock images or upload your own. To upload your own image, click on Add Images, locate the image you want to upload on your computer, and then click Open. Click on your newly uploaded image and click Insert. To change any text on the homepage, simply click on the text you'd like to change and type whatever fits your business. If you want to add a section to your homepage, hover your mouse in between sections and a circle with a plus sign will appear. Click on the plus sign and then choose what type of section you'd like to add. To remove a section from the homepage, hover your mouse over the section you'd like to delete and then click on the three dots that appear in the upper right corner of the section. Finally, you'll click on Delete Section, and when the pop-up appears, click Delete. If you need to add any pages to your website that may not have been auto-generated, Click on the Website tab and then the plus sign that's kind of next to Site Navigation. Choose a name for the page and then type that into the text box under Page Title. If you want this page to appear in your website navigation bar, make sure you have the Show in Navigation button selected. Once you have your home page all set up, you'll want to go through the other pages and adjust any images or text to match your business's services or needs. You'll follow the same steps of adjusting images and text as you did on the home page. Next is the Contact Us page. While your contact page likely isn't the first thing visitors see when they arrive at your website, it should still make a great impression. Having a clear structure and presenting all the necessary information in a creative and intuitive way is key. The structure of your contact page should not only provide essential information about your business, but also help visitors find other pages with ease. Adding other key elements such as social media icons and calls to action can help promote the success of your contact page as well as your entire business. Beyond the essentials, every good contact page needs to achieve its goals, like your business's hours, location, phone number, and email address. You may want to include other key elements to meet your visitors' needs, such as contact forms, calls to actions, chat boxes, maps, images, and social media icons. Now, onto the About Us page. Visitors to your About Us page shouldn't struggle to find key information regarding who you are and what you provide. This page should focus on enticing visitors to trust you and what you offer, as well as clearly stating the nature of your products or services. One of the best ways to do this involves using images of you and your team. Make sure to use professional quality images with good lighting that clearly represent your brand. If you offer a service, use photos that show that service in action. If you're a hairstylist, for example, include images taken inside your salon that demonstrate your skills. This will give visitors a clear view of what your space looks like, what products you might use, and a general sense of what to expect. If you work with a small team of people, showcase them on this page. Pair a high-quality headshot of each team member with a description of who they are and what they do written in a professional and friendly tone. Structure your About Us page content according to the information site visitors will find most useful. Again, know the story your customers want to learn regarding your business and include a brief yet informative overview. You also can use internal links to send visitors to pages with details on your process and products, as well as to answer any questions they may have. Ultimately, this page should feature clear and concise information. The easier you make it for visitors to understand who you are and what you offer, the more likely you are to achieve your About Us page goals. Finally, we'll look at making a services page. The structure of your services page should highlight key information about the resources your business provides, as well as help visitors find other pages with ease. A well-organized services page can help keep visitors engaged while allowing them to find information quickly. Breaking your provided services into sections can create a streamlined design that will help visitors get a better grasp of what you offer. Empowering visitors to choose their own adventure with the information they're most interested in will keep them engaged. Moreover, the flow of this page should lead visitors through a journey that tells them what you offer. If you need to list many services, it's best to keep them itemized in a drop-down menu. This approach will enable visitors to scan the page and then click on what they most want to read. You also should provide clear routes to help visitors move from their current location to where they want to go next. For example, it's always a good idea to add internal links to other pages on your site that provide more information. Ideally, visitors should arrive at their desired location on your site after no more than 3 clicks. Your services page should feature engaging content as well as end with the necessary elements to achieve your goals. As a best practice, aim to finish this page with a call to action like a button that invites people to call now or link to schedule an appointment. These basic tools will help encourage visitors to become clients or customers. Depending on your business, you may want to add some additional page types like a newsletter sign-up page, a reviews page, an FAQ page, or a blog. For our restaurant, we would want to add a page for our menu. For more detailed guides on how to build successful pages for your website, check out our guides linked below. After getting all your pages built, there are some other site customization features you can utilize. Start by clicking on the Theme tab. You can now click on the Colors, Fonts, and Buttons tabs to make site-wide changes to your colors, fonts, and buttons. Play around with these until you get your site exactly how you like. When starting out building a website, the first thing you need to decide is if you want to use a website builder that will help you through the process but might have limited flexibility, Or do you want to use WordPress that is a little more difficult to use but provides much greater flexibility when building your website? After deciding how to build your website, you'll have to determine what to name your website. If you're building a website for your business, you'll already have a name, but if you don't have a business name yet, or your business name is already being used as a domain name by someone else, check out our business name generator to help you come up with a name for your website. Finally, you'll need to go through and actually build your website. Depending on which builder you use, there will be varying degrees of auto website building, but you'll still need to go through and update all the information and images to match your business or what your website will be about. It's important that your website has a solid homepage, contact us page, about us page, and services page to make sure people who come to your site can find any information they're looking for quickly and easily. Depending on your website or business, you might also want to consider adding other pages like a newsletter sign-up page, a reviews page, an FAQ page, or a blog. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, add a comment, and subscribe. For news, useful videos, and free resources on starting your business, visit TRUiC.com.